Recycle with Michael, who's here with me today to help you guys to remember to reduce, reuse and recycle as much as possible this Christmas. Did you know, on average, we throw away enough of this stuff every year to stretch as far as the moon? That's about 240,000 miles, which is quite something. So don't forget, if you can't reuse it, do put it into your blue bag along with all your papers, your Christmas cards, your TV guides and all cardboard packaging. We've also got our green boxes. I'm sure a few of you are having a party this time of year. So wine bottles, beer bottles, plastic bottles, when the lids have been taken off, they can all go in there. As well as things like aerosols and clean foil as well. So do remember to reduce, reuse and recycle as much as possible and keep a smile on this guy's face well into the new year. Nadolig llawen pawb.